Start recording here. This is the Cal seismogram, and when it pops, you'll see it go bing, and yep, there it goes. There it goes. Now you're seeing it.
Okay, where's yours?
Yeah. Yeah, there's another aftershock 4.5. This is the original quake, and we'll talk about that in just a minute.
Seriously, why?
Yep, Dub Diesel's here. Whoa. Yep.
A 5.7 magnitude earthquake has struck 9 kilometers west of Mettler, California at 4 hours 9 minutes and 57 seconds Coordinated Universal Time.
Yeah, this one's
coming from the same area though.
Yep, 5.4.2. Hey, you better get ready for one.
Here we go. Here it goes.
Yep, you're feeling it?
Just barely.
Oh, you're in Alabama now, Dub? All right, bud. We're not feeling it here, so.
No, this is smaller.
Yeah.
It's not too bad here. Just a little.
Well, you're on sediment, so.
Yeah, we feel it a lot more.
She's down here, everybody. Yeah, I got a 5.445. So this
little wiggles.
Yeah, little wiggles. Chile popping in as well, Longamar. Well, you're from Chile, that's right. I forgot.
Yeah, I don't know. The signature's really long for some reason.
Yeah, well, you're on sediment, so you're going to shake a hell of a lot longer, and that's the S wave. P wave went through you already.
Yeah, no. I'm talking about the signature on the seismograph.
Aftershocks really incoming as well. Here's another aftershock.
Again?
Oh, yeah.
Is yours ahead of mine? Mine's live.
Yep. Two pretty good sized quakes we could see. Not far from San Andreas, right? It's the other side. It's the 1952 Tehachapi quake. This is the spot.
Kern County, yeah.
In Kern County. Yeah, this is the spot.
Fraser Park's that area of the San Andreas where they're always watching.
Yeah, Fraser Park is up in the mountains. That's where Garlock comes through, hits the San Andreas. And this is in the flats on the other side of LA. So
they're saying they're getting alerts.
A 4.0 magnitude earthquake has struck 22 kilometers southwest of Lamont, California.
The seismograph for CA seismograph is in Garden Grove.
Yes, it's in Garden Grove. It's right by
where my daughter. Where I'm at.
Right. You're on the more on the sediment. Yeah, well, I just had a harmless long-nosed snake. I just found out what it was. Yeah.
You had somebody remove it, right?
Yeah, I did. Put it in a bucket, threw it over the fence. Chili good, 4.5. Okay. Chili's got a good little bumper then. A bumper car going. Yep, 4.9 here already. Quality is A.
3, 4 aftershocks.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's been upgraded again to 5.3.
5.3. Well, I got 5.7 upgraded too. So USGS is still working it out. 5.5 I'm seeing now. Yeah, hey Conan, how are you, buddy? Yeah, I just removed the snake, came back to this. Felt from Whittier too.
Yeah.
Yeah. My daughter is in Huntington Beach. I was asleep watching World War III news. Yeah, ain't nothing been going on far as I can tell, which is good. I don't want it to happen. But yeah, it's pretty crazy at the moment.
Yeah, it's very active. What the hell? Oh, you scared me. I'm watching I looked over at yours and I just see that moving and I'm like, what the?
Oh, yeah, you can see. Yeah.
Yours is delayed. Okay.
No, this is...
I was scared for a second.
Well, this is the... which one is this? This is the 5.4. That's what they're guessing it to be. And I'll bump out to... I was looking at the storms in my area. So pumping that back down. Here we are, the live up here in Cali here. Yeah, the Grapevine just came in with a 3.8. Grapevine 3.1 and is a 3. Lamont 4.5 and a 5.3. All right, you know, it is what it is. It's happening to everybody. Yeah, I don't see anything happening in the Middle East, thank God.
Bakersfield's feeling aftershocks.
Oh, yeah.
San Gabriel Valley felt it. Everybody's asking if it's San Andreas.
Yeah, there's 1, 2. I'm going to zoom in here and keep the terrain on and go all of them and then knock everything else out.
I don't think
you got a couple over in Little Lake, but they're small.
Just make sure my oven's turned off.
Yeah. You got a gas oven, hon?
No, it's electric. Thank you.
All right, then you're fine. Just make sure you're not cooking.
But I want to make sure everything's off.
All right, here's what we see, everybody. There you go. The main quake right here, 5.3, and then here's a 4.5, a 3.4, a 3.8, a 3.1, a 3.0, a 2.9, and a 4.0. That's what's happened thus far. This is the exact same area of the 1952 Tehachapi quake, which I think was a
Cook County
7.2,
I think, right?
Yeah, 7.2 somewhere. Yeah.
It was a 7.3 magnitude, lasted almost 8 seconds at Taft, which is right the town next to it.
Yeah, there's Taft right there.
Tehachapi suffered the greatest damage and loss of life. 12 people died.
Right, Tehachapi's right over here. Taft is here, Tehachapi's right there. Props look as big in Mammoth, which is interesting. Really? Props are going toward Mammoth, eh? All right. And my daughter's down here, and it happened here, and she felt it pretty good. Cali is shaking. Yes, San Diego Dan. Cali's shaking. We've been waiting for something in the greater Los Angeles area. This is more the Santa Maria, Central California, San Luis, Santa Maria, Lompoc. But you can see there's also a couple of quakes. What is this? 2106. Let me see if they're close. Yeah. All right. So the same time we had a couple of Little Lake quakes. Right after this quake. So it felt this. So there's some sort of movement going on. See if there's anything that we can.
The 7th one this year
there's the focal mechanism right there. Pressures from the north going toward the south where the tension is. Remember what this area is. I got my life jacket. Yeah, calmness. Did you feel it on? Because you're right up there, baby girl. Yeah, my friend she's right up in that area. She's in the Santa Maria, San Luis, San Inez area.
Yeah, no, I'm way down from that.
Maybe up in here, Paso Robles, Atascadero, somewhere in there.
Oh, I drove through Paso Robles a couple years ago.
She says she got her life jacket on and a Hawaiian grass skirt. Just stand up in the middle of the room and shake the booty. Well, you don't got to do it. It's just going to do it for you.
It was definitely a roller, but it is right on those fracture points,
right,
according to USGS.
Well, let's see California quake zone. Let's try to find out what fault it was on. I don't know what the hell I'm looking for there. All right. Boy, that's not coming up too fast. All right, let's look at what kind of fault this or quake this was.
Unnamed faults, 1952 fracture.
Okay, we got a normal dip slip. That's what this is, a normal dip slip. That means the Pacific Ocean rose and the internal went down. So the southern part where the tension is slipped down. Subsidence. Oh, no kidding. Right there, subsidence has done 30 foot in, 40 years? 50 years? So they just got some more.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
USGS was saying we were due for one, too.
We've been watching. There's no joke. We've been watching it for it. What else we got? Arches.
A lot of aftershocks.
Yeah, a lot of it. Now we got one that's moved a little further away on the Grapevine, kind of moving down south. Look at the line. Look at this line.
I see it.
Parallel with the San Andreas.
going to Fraser Park, Lebec area.
Yeah, moving towards Fraser Park, Gorman, Lubbock, Fraser Park, where the Tehachapi Mountains are. That's Garlock. That's
Garlock.
That's
the last place we want it.
Yeah, they call it the Fraser Park quake. I think it was this. That's not good. Yeah, news stations are going crazy about these quakes here in the Los Angeles area. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 42. Did you feel it as well in Corona?
I did.
Yeah, I bet he did. If you felt it.
I felt it.
Yeah.
I knew instantly.
Still popping lots of little 2s and 3s here.
It's the reverse of the San Andreas.
Yeah. So it looks like on this, the fault is north to south. Parallel of this, they've got it going east, kind of east-west. Northeast to southwest. And this ArcGIS is just not doing its thing. Come on, ArcGIS.
Put the shape map on a 7, so it was a pretty good little one.
Let me see if I can't get a fault in here. Yeah, well, it's not, well, maybe it is. There's one fault that moves through Arving. White Wolf fault. Oh my God, White Wolf.
Oh no. Why does that name sound familiar? Oh yeah.
Yeah, Wheeler Ridge fault zone turns into White Wolf. Unnamed faults, 1952 earth fracture zones.
Yeah.
Yep, that's what we got, 1952.
That's the Kern Valley quake.
You didn't feel it, eh? Now, you're a mover or a shaker anywhere there, 42.
52.
Yeah. White Wolf fault was 1952, yes sir. Right here is the epicenter of the 1952. So why don't I try to do that? Open that up. We'll do a 19.
That one was an oblique slip.
Search.
The 1952 quake was
I'll
an
do a
oblique
7.
slip.
Custom 1952. I don't know what. No, I hear you, baby.
It's on a dip slip.
Yep.
That was what the 1952 one was on as well.
Yeah, I'm looking the 1952 one up right now. The particulars. There it is. 7.5.
Yeah.
I wonder what led up to that.
Wait, are you on Wikipedia?
No, I'm in USGS. All right, so the quakes we're having right now are right up in here, north of Maricopa Ridge, Maricopa Flats. Now, these Wheeler Ridges, San Joaquin Valley, all these here are all peppered with drill rigs, right?
To bring it to you, you're 10 seconds ahead of everybody.
So right here, yeah, that's fine. Right here is this is the 7.5 Kern County earthquake or Tehachapi earthquake, which is in. Let me see if I can do the U.S. faults. They're not going to show me on this one. Okay.
I'm gonna check out the epicenter.
Yeah, it's not far from it. Tell you the truth. This is up here, maybe 15 miles away, 20 miles away.
There's a big road that goes through there called Cuddy Valley Road. The epicenter for the 1952 quake was literally just above it. So.
All right, I got the epicenter on that. Let's see here.
That's the street.
Yeah.
And I'll zoom in. What do we got? How close are we to the other one?
There we go.
Okay, this is just north of it.
Correct.
Yeah, this is just north of the other one.
Yeah, within 20 miles.
Yeah, within 20 miles.
Yeah, because.
I think it's 5. It sucks.
And it's a little west. And there's a lot more quakes popping in, a lot of little ones, a lot of 2s coming through.
Yeah, I can see kind of the alliance forming.
Yep. Northwest to southeast line. The quake happened here, but it's all breaking here. What does that tell you? It's a response to the San Andreas moving. The chicken leg, baby.
Fucking chicken leg.
I've been telling people.
You and that chicken leg.
I'll tell you, it's happening, man. We've been watching that. We've been watching that San Jacinto. We've been watching the San Felipe crack. We've been watching Baja California, banging, and USGS is not reporting it, but we've been seeing it. And this is the quiet zone, just at the top of the compression. And what do I mean by the compression? Well, let me show you. I do this every day, you know, right there. You see the top of the compression just under Lompoc. And where this quake is, right here, there's Lompoc just under. This is the beginning of the compression. And that's what we were saying. It's the compression. Seems to be moving south. Well, where the weakest part is happening, that's where the quake hits first. Then everything else kind of rides along. Chicken legs are yummy with garlic. I know, right?
With garlic, I love it. This is garlic.
Yep. But chicken leg is all a chicken leg is this here is the Pacific plate next to the North American plate, moving north at a faster rate than North America is moving across, and actually it's moving down. But because of this grinding up against the North American plate, there's a compression area from right here underneath Lompoc to about right here where Big Bear and the Crest Line and Desert Hot Springs is. That's where it stops. Everything else is strike slip. This is a compressional area. It might be.
Yeah, it's a bleak slip. The rest.
Yeah, right there. Bang, bang.
Dip slip.
Well, that's what we surmised based on normal dip slip flop.
You know what's funny is that if I'm not mistaken, a lot of the quakes that we've had this year have been oblique or thrust.
Yeah, we're kind of looking into that too. I had chicken leg for dinner. Well,
for my boneless, skinless.
Yeah, well, he's back there, and White Wolf Fall is a bad one. Yeah. Hey, our buddy Lucy Jones is on TV. Oh yeah, she's just looking to get famous again. She's lonely.
She wants to be relevant again.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Well, she's not even the head of the USGS anymore. She's more of a political arm. I forget who the lady is who's running the USGS. So.
We need to go change this paper out.
Dub says he's back east somewhere. Palmdale and Lancaster shook pretty good. Got alert 15 seconds. Got the 15 second, he said. My shake alert worked well.
I didn't get it.
Yeah. Conan is all good. He's in Alabama right now. He's in Alabama. Hopefully he's over there trying to take care of old Timmy boy. He needs some help. I think he just went to sleep. Canuck, my chicken leg is better with salsa. I know, right?
Chicken leg is always better with salsa.
Put it in a tortilla, put some beans in it, and put some salsa on it. Woo! Maybe jalapeno. Because it's going to be painful. I'm the one that's floating around in the water with the Hawaiian skirt.
We twitching again.
Are we?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. On the 3x graph, at least.
Oh, yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. Yeah, nothing yet.
Yeah.
No, on the 3x. Yeah.
I got my socks and my shoes nearby just in case.
Well,
hey,
I'm more worried
about barefoot. Not with all the glass.
Huff does talk on a big historical Cali quakes. Oh, all right. I was saying Ho. Are you talking about Charlie Ho or Charlie Huff or whatever his name is or her name or its name? You can't put a name on it because if you do, then you're ambidextrous and you're confused. But anyway, I ain't gonna be Tar Heel for that. Anyway, so here's the 5.3. You can see. Don't need to worry about that anymore. So they've downgraded to a 5.3, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and take a look at the origins. Maybe the origins will tell us something, eh? Nope, they won't. They took it out. Well, some stations have it at a 5.8, and some has a 5.25, and they said 5.25. But they're not saying no stations contributed. But yeah, and we'll be keeping an eye out this evening about this. I had just sat down too. So in the Kernquake, and there's no thing here, and they don't have it because there was no doohickey for it either. All right, 7.5. That's the largest Southern California quake. 7.5. The Landers quake, which happened right in here, the Johnson Valley, that was a 7.3, and I'll tell you, that rocked the world. The Pisgah Bullion or Calico Hidalgo quake, or better known 1999 as the what is that thing? Miners. What is that miners cart called? Anyway,
Hector Mine.
Hector Mine. There you go. I see the miners thing, but that's the problem with dyslexia. But it is that was a 7.1, and 7.1, and we've been having a few quakes out in Barstow, which for me, between Ridgecrest and these other two, that has to go. But looky, what happened out here? Yeah, that's the old one. But today's quake, right? 5.3. Now the most intense are moved. Oh, check it out. They moved they did it. They changed it. It's not an oblique. What the hell is it now? All right.
No, the beach ball's different.
The beach ball is different.
It is different.
Well, the tensions from, here we go here. Tensions in the south, pressures from the north, again. Backstopping it. And it's east-west. This has to be White Wolf. Yeah, she's the new head of the USGS. Yes, sir. This has to be an adjacent quake to the White Wolf. And yeah, I don't know, man. How will they do this? They're right here. Well, it's pretty close to that one. Results of beach ball spots showing the earthquake resulted from reverse oblique. There you. What did you just say? A reverse oblique.
It's all been a reverse obliques.
Yeah, it's a reverse oblique fault.
It is. It's a reverse oblique. That's what I looked at. I'm looking at all the beach balls too.
Yeah. So they changed it. They changed it, and they made it a reverse oblique as new information comes in. And yeah, so, and look at the swarm happening now, boy. Oof.
Yeah, it's tremoring. They're not reaching down here that much, though.
27 quakes. Not, but we're seeing a couple of breaks northeast to southwest, filling in the blank of the northwest to southeast line. And you can see it looks like maybe two faults popped, like it did on Ridgecrest here. We got one that popped, and then this one popped, and now we're getting the fill-in of both of them.
I want the 2.7.
So that's probably the because it's all the San Andreas fault zone, it's probably related to the San Andreas sliding north and pulling.
Or like locking it.
Yeah, pulling this into the trough as this grinds. It's moving a lot faster than North America is moving down and into this hole. Yeah. North America moving down like this. This is moving that way, taking Baja with it. Yep, and Baja to BC.
Garlic just locks it up.
Yeah.
Just locks up right there.
Right, and you can see there's where Fraser Park here is the Big Pine Park fault. line here, right? That used to be part of Garlock, which goes all the way out to the Santa Barbara Channel, by the way. But as this slides this way, the main quake, San Gabriel fault zone, right through there, and a Santa Maria or Sierra Madre fault, right through here, the San Gabriel Mountains. These suckers can kick off big quakes. What is this one? The Cisar fault, or the San Cayeno fault, and a Santa Ynez fault. That one through Solvang. Oh yeah.
Go through Solvang?
Oh,
not my town.
Oh yeah. So the Santa Ynez fault.
It.
They did it again.
5-2.
When are we gonna call bullshit?
Oh no.
Yeah, that goes too
quick. A lot of people felt this one.
Yeah, well, that's how they do it. They don't do it as the magnitude anymore. They do it as the it tickles me.
Yeah.
So and it people were feeling it all over the place.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
I got people as far away as Vegas.
Yeah, really? Vegas felt? I didn't feel it. I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
A lot of shake map stations around the area. Shake map.
Ridgecrest felt it pretty good.
Yeah, well, Ridgecrest also had a couple of responsible quakes too.
There's some pockets that felt it more, like Oxnard felt it pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Simi Valley, Santa Clarita.
I'm looking at those, yeah. I'm looking at those pockets.
That's kind of weird. The basin felt it pretty good.
Yeah. Death Valley had some of it too.
Yeah.
And it's interesting, you'll see in this region, let's go ahead and look at what's going on here. Another 2.7 coming in. And quality had just started. The signals are just starting to pop off. And what do we got out here? Right here. So we'll keep that on. But yeah, you can see the first. This is the S wave, or the P wave has already gone out. Not that big of a quake, but this has a potential to be what? The main shock or a
foreshock.
Foreshock, yes.
Could be a foreshock. There is a lot of aftershock, so hopefully not a foreshock.
Right. Garlic goes to Vegas. Well, sorry to say, if you looked on the map, let me find the map. Garlic moves like this and then turns, and it turns right through here and comes straight out.
I guess they're trying to label this as strike slip now.
And it is north of me. Yeah. We have a pretty good little storm happening right now. So we had Barstow last week, then Salton Sea, now Bakersfield. Hey, there's a triangle.
Uh-oh. Not triangular.
Yeah, there's my boy's triangle. Yeah. You can see out here's the Hector mine. Prior to the 1992 quake of 7.3, there was a Joshua Tree quake, and I want to say it was 99 that
All right,
happened.
let me look. I have the map. Weirdly enough, I have a map of like all recent major like notable quakes in the last 30 years.
And now I have that up. Finally, it came up.
So 2000 was Yountville 5.0, Hector Mine 7.1.
Yeah.
Reading 5.2 in 98. San Juan Bautista. Those are all fives. Ridgecrest back in 95.
Oh yeah, it's not.
2 of them.
It's for real.
Northridge was right before it in 94. Landers Big Bear in 92. Those were 7.3 and 6.5.
Yes.
Cape Mendocino 7.2.
Yeah, this thing is not working very well.
That was in 92. And Joshua Tree 6.1. April 22nd, 1992.
triangles everywhere. Strike slip in San Andreas. Is San Andreas.
Yeah, the beach ball kind of looks like strike slip.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it looks strike slippy.
On which one? 5.2?
Yeah, on the 5.2. If you look at it now, like the.
Well, I guess
crisscrossing.
They keep, well, from here, I don't know. Maybe because they're calling there two different quakes. Or, yeah, maybe that's what's going on here.
Maybe they're a little confused on.
Well, I'm confused. Here we look at.
Well, I mean, those quakes kind of happen back to back. So
I got a transpression. Hey, that's the key word today, transpression. If you missed class today, class was wonderful. And you have to watch the Rockies ones, and you got to watch the Chalet 351 course, the three of them. Watch the Idaho Chalet or whatever. And the key word is transpression, and I'm right. The one side rose above the other one as it slid by each other.
Oh.
All right.
So not quite subduction, but sort of subduction as things slide by.
Yeah. The looks like what would it be? Yeah, the Pacific side slid forward and past the North American side. So that's the San Andreas moving.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, so it's kind of like this, transpression. It's not reverse thrust. It's not a normal fault.
Yeah, it does look like that. Compression shear.
Yeah, down here. Compression plus a shear, yep.
So
it's the transpression of the combination of the compression, and then it slipped forward.
Okay.
So it looks like if it's a 5, it probably only moved a couple of feet. It's not going to be moving no 15 feet like a 7.1 did. So
please don't, start that.
Well, not until you get your butt out of Cali.
No, thank you. Wait until I move to Colorado, then we'll talk.
Yeah.
Though then again, I feel bad for other people out here.
Well. Yeah, we got another quake coming in. I just see it now. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. All the way through. This one's felt all the way through too. Hold on. Here we go. See it?
I gotta refresh online because you're 10 seconds behind.
Yep. Oh, not this one.
Oh, yeah. All I see is USGS.
Yeah.
Oh, unless you're talking about the top.
I'm looking at... Yeah, hold on here.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's on there. It'll come to you. Don't worry. Same aftershock of the same one. Looks like maybe a 3. The data viewer. Oh, okay. Finally. Complex America.
Regarding Grove ain't feeling it. Because theirs not moving.
Well, we don't know what popped, all right? All we know is the Cal seismogram is not feeling anything. Let me refresh them. Yeah, they're not feeling anything. How come the other people are? Wow. Are they live? Yeah, we're live there. This one is Bakersfield still, and it's probably because it's in the 2 range.
Yeah, it's not reaching down here.
All right, so there you go.
One of the sensors is out too. Ice Seal Beach. That's great. Oh, you just lit up a bunch of red. They're gone.
Yeah, and then we go Cal size. Yeah, I don't know they might be running a little behind. I don't know. There's a bump, but what time was this one? 20:46. Yeah, that's 4 minutes ago. And on SESN, what's the date or time on this? 4:51. Yeah, this is on the right time. Then if I go to this one here, we got a 2.6. Well, that's up in Canada. Central Cali 3.5 at 21:46. Yeah, it was a 3.5. That's what I have now.
No.
So.
Why do they call this one the World Series quake? That's weird.
Yeah, that's the one.
Marietta.
Yeah, I know. I was there. I was here, but not here. I just moved away from there.
Oh, you got lucky.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of aftershocks.
My brave brother left me and went to his girlfriend's house. What a hero! He needs a hug, Mama. Her sister. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're still seeing noise. You can see this is the quake here that just happened. Yep. Boing. Right. But yeah, this is the storm that rolled through. I don't even know if it's real right now. I'm just going to turn it off. I can hear the wind blowing outside on my garage door.
Is it storming really good right now?
No, it's not rain, but it's blowing.
Wind.
I forget what I was going to do, but I'm going to look up something.
One of the aftershocks was a 4.5.
Yeah.
Putting a
What else we got here?
beach ball on it.
Yeah, here we go. 3-0 come in right now. So another one. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, looks like you can see something coming in here. We are live there. Boom, boom, boom. Terrain, there you go. You can see where these quakes are coming in. What was this? We just had an M1.88, and now we're at a C318, so we're all right there. As we're watching these quakes pounce off.
It's severe.
I've got all the rest of you. I'm swamped. I know, sis, right? Calmness, you're so loved. You know that. Let's see if there's anything in the local area that's bouncing. Let me refresh. No, nothing else. Let me see down here. Anything notable? Newest, go, largest. No, the largest is down here, so nothing. All right, so back up here where we got the swarm happening. 45 quakes now coming in. Yeah, little bumper right after, but yeah, this was pretty good here. Cal size, they're not feeling it. 3.5 at 2046, that's the latest. No, I'm sorry, a 3 at 2052. 3 minutes ago, yeah. So we're coming back around on the drum. I think the drum's 20 minutes. And we're coming right back around. So you can see the
pass through afterwards.
right. You can see the two quakes. The first one and then the second one actually showed more scratches. So
Yeah.
and one was well, I think the second one they called it a 4.5.
Yeah.
Now
it's
they've
still
lowered the
listed
other
at
one to
that, too.
5.2. So. We're watching anyway.
Watch it get to the dark spot and then just start going again.
Yeah, 3.1 B. Vancouver Island had a 2.6. Antofagasta, Chile had a 3.3. Offshore Atacama, Chile had a 5. Just not very long ago. Like just a few minutes ago. Poland today had a little quake today, I saw. Coquimbo, Chile, 2.5.
marked 6th or 7th one this year. Yeah.
What's that?
Quake-wise?
Lisa 1208 felt it. Hi, Lisa 1208. Where are you at, Lisa 1208? Yeah, right here's the epicenter, so you can see this little twos bouncing. Bam, 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 bam. So, Calmness, did you feel it where you live, hon? Maybe I can move that out the way. There we go. So we got the signature. You can see these. Felt in Buena Park. Hey, Hugo.
Yes.
All right, my daughter's real close to you.
Not that far from us.
And she didn't feel it. Calmness didn't feel it. She just heard about it. Showed up saying, hey, everybody. Yeah, normally I'm in time, but I'm
Early about now. I'm going to bed.
the vibrations of the garage door with these 30-mile-an-hour winds vibrates the whole house. I'll be awake for a while. That and the excitement of finding that snake. So.
Oh yeah, no thanks. You can keep the snake.
Yeah, it was a harmless snake. So, looks like Texas is coming in right now. A little 2-0 in Texas. Western Texas.
Well, I'll keep my tennis shoes by my bed tonight, just in case.
Keep your socks on. Still feel little ones. So you do, huh, Lisa? Where are you located? Close to it, but very mild right, left shake for a few seconds. Okay. Yeah. You were okay. Yeah, nothing broke in your house, I pray? Nothing? Now, Texas downgraded to a 1.8. So, still watching the California. There's a chance this could be a more aggressive quake, but
Precursor.
yeah, we won't know until it happens.
Next 24 hours will tell, for the most part.
Right.
That's what happened with the Ridgecrest. It's not even. It was just over a full day.
Well, that part of California does get, Santa Maria area does get pretty damaging quakes. I don't know what the depth of this one ended up being.
11.7, I think I read.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, 11.7 kilometers. So it's what? 7. That's 7.25 miles down.
Yeah, 7.3, yeah. Still pretty far down there. Well, that's the excitement. What? We've been recording 43 minutes, so just after it happened. The timestamp on this quake.
I was still shaking when you called me.
Right?
I'm like scrambling for my headset to put it on because I was already yelling it here.
2109. We're at almost 1 hour out. This time last year, we had a 5.6 during the tropical storm Hillary. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
August 20, and I didn't whistle today. So, Canuck, did you eat Kit Kat?
Chocolate again. He had chocolate again, didn't he?
I think he did.
Put down the Kit Kats.
Put down the chocolate. I know.
Let me sleep tonight. You can have one tomorrow while I'm working.
No. Right.
Montana had a little 1.1. Oh, where is it down there?
There was something coming up there in, up in Utah, Idaho.
51.
Idaho popping in here.
aftershocks.
A little bumper in Idaho. And another aftershock coming in.
Yeah.
Right now. What? You know. Uh-oh. You had Kit Kats, not just Kit Kat?
Oh, God, how many do you have? It is always Kit Kats. Always the chocolate.
Yeah, my daughter said, my other daughter, she says, you know, there's a snake in the yard. I went, what? There's a snake in the yard? She goes, yeah. So she walks from my studio into the garage and pushes the garage door to open. What are you doing? I said, close that damn thing. She was like,
you're
what?
a guy, you can hack it.
Well, see, what happens is it gets in the garage, then you can't get it. You don't want it in your garage. Most snakes go into the garages, and that's where you get into trouble. Go get into the car, and you get bit on the ankle, right? So I don't know what kind of snake this is, and so she.
It could be an Arizona Diamondback for all you know.
Well, my next door neighbors just found another green meanie, so pretty thick one too. So we have the most dangerous of Diamondbacks in our area, which are the Mojave Green Diamondbacks, and they are a Diamondback that does not like rocks. It likes prairies, and we have prairies all around us. So, and they like washes. So
you can keep your snakes and your scorpions and your spiders.
Right, and
you can keep them.
And I was fortunate enough to kill the scorpion with my backpack. I just laid it down. I guess I didn't know it was there. But I was told that there was a scorpion around, and I'll tell you about that story another time. But
I heard about it. No,
and
you can keep it. I don't do arachnids.
Oh, Kit Kat meanies.
Not the minis.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it still hasn't come back to full data here. Okay, I've read it. Come on. There you go, big boy. Jeez. Come on. It's this one, I think. All right, I'll wait till you work it out. Look at all the quakes now. Wow. Definitely.
54. Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah. 54 quakes, yeah. Kit Kat minis. Oh my God. How many?
Yeah.
I had 5. What? He had 5 of them. Oh damn.
No.
Everybody, when Canuck eats Kit Kats or chocolate, earthquakes happen. Yeah, and when I whistle, earthquakes happen. So I don't whistle anymore. And it's 5 to boot. And it's a 5 to boot, right? Knucklehead. Oh my gosh. So you can see another little quake coming in. All right, look at the shear wave historical quakes right there.
Yeah, we see the minis and not a full size.
Faults. I think faults there. I think that's what I need to do. Yeah, the faults are there. All right, so now we can drill down into, you can see the big red mark there, eh? All right. Let's go like that. Okay. Crapola. All right, let's zoom it in. Zooming in, and where's that quake today? Oh yeah, here's Bakersfield. Here's the White Wolf Fault. Oh boy, we're close. There's a compressional sector right there. There's Kern Lake bed. Oh, in the middle of Kern Lake. That's right. Let's find out where this sucker is. David Road and Old south of Herring Road. There's Maricopa Highway, Corpus, Valdana Road.
It's next to the 5, so find the 5.
Yeah, no, I got the 5. There's the 5 there. Oh, here's Arvin. It's between Arvin and these two street. 101 goes that way, and the 5 goes that way, right? Yeah, so it's the left of this one. Okay. It's over here. The Buena. All right. Let's check it out. Big Lake comes like that. Big Lake comes like that. All right. Yeah, it's just off of the White Wolf. White Wolf continues through here, all the way into the San Andreas. I don't know what this one here is. I wonder what that fault's called.
It's where the 5 and the 99 meet.
Yeah, I know.
So, and then Maricopa Highway, it's right on top of that.
Right.
Looks like it's going to cross the highway soon.
Yeah, it's on Corpus Road. That's the center of all the activity. And I can see Corpus Road down here. Turn that off. I want the darn basement gallery. Got another one coming in. I'm going like this, not that one. Come on, just taking time. All right.
I see it's a little slow.
Yeah, it's a little slow. And up there in Central Texas, a little 2.0 just popping in right now.
It's too bad you can't just plug in coordinates.
Oh, on that one map. Yeah, the one map's really detailed, and that's why I love it. But because it's getting crushed by people, it's not. Always be prepared for alert. Yeah, BCD. Yeah.
Yeah. 09's right.
One for each magnitude. Turkey. And it's a fine. Always be prepared. All right, so. Oh man, I did it. Image hybrid. It ain't gonna let me do it. Dang it. This program is not the greatest because it's problematic. I'll wait for it to boot back up. You can see another quake coming through.
Right where that big old red dot is.
Yeah. It seems to be diagonal where Corpus crosses whatever road, Old River Road Street.
Yeah. Yeah, Old River Road.
Uh-huh.
And we passed the hour mark on them.
Yeah, and I bet you, I'm thinking it's in the middle of the old lake bed, because the old lake bed's right here. You can see it. And this is on the shore, moving up into the mountains where they drilled all the. What'd you say?
How do we see you? Oh, sorry, this bouncing noise.
Yeah, I think it's in the old lake bed, real close to it.
Turn on the satellite view.
That's where it's on. I'm already there.
Again, your thing is behind.
I'm ahead. You're behind.
I know. I'm refreshing again.
And I'm already on to. There we go. Good. Now I can do it. And then come down here and do historics and this one. There we go. And it will tell us the fault. Will it? All right. Maricopa Flat. West Side Highway. Lake Station Road. Yeah, we're real close to the old station. The old road. I mean, the old lake. South Lake Road right there. And in doing the street index, Taft Highway. Maricopa 166 is down below us. Here's the 166 down here. There's Corpus right there. So it's on Corpus and Old River Road. And if I do that.
So just east of where you were just at.
So it's right. Wow, this thing's right here. Right here is where the quake happened. Just, oh my, that's really close to the epicenter. Wow. All right, so I'm going to turn off the historical ones. Yeah, that's the White Wolf. Right on the White Wolf. Wow. All right, everybody. There you go. We've ascertained the fault it was on, or real close to it.
That's got to be that system.
Yeah, I know you see it going on northwest to southeast, because the White Wolf cruises out that way into the mountains there.
I thought it was northwest to southeast. But there are a couple of lines that go the opposite.
All right, and let's see what the ground is. The ground out here, it's whatever. Yeah, it's just sediment. Bottom of the rung. It's Q. So if I look that up, what Q is, I think it's like bottom of a river. The mountains are all QPCs. There's some GB but it's not where our little problem is. There's an M in there. We'll wait for that to do it. Still a little bumper coming in now, small. As you can see, as the hours pass, the original quakes, and it's still staying pretty close within itself. Yeah, pretty close. Still having a Grapevine, Lamont area. I mean, you're talking like, 1 mile apart, and they're calling it a completely different city, Grapevine, which Grapevine's like way the hell up here. Fraser Park. Yeah, I think Grapevine's like way the hell up here. Santa Clarita. Stevens Ranch, Newhall. There's Canyon Country. Castaic. Pyramid. Lubbock. This is all what we call a grapevine, most of us. And then it goes downhill. That's a hell of a grade, though, by the way. That's a hell of a grade. There's a big gas station. Everybody pulls off in here, the outlets at Tejon. The Tejon Pass, that's what all this is called. So this is Tejon, right? This Tejon. Over here is Cajon. Both go out to beyond Los Angeles. I was pretty sure that... What? Did I see another one? Well, we got another quake in Fontana, a small one. That's a San Andreas on top of the... what fault was that? The San Jacinto fault zone. Leading on to where? The Sierra Madre fault zone. Not good. So those other ones are peaking up there, aren't they? Yes, it did. It went all the way up to Kern River and Mammoth. Now Mammoth has been quiet for a couple of years, but there is a quake at Tom's place, a 1.8, but that's not related. The place up in Topaz, California, which is up by Walker. Right here is Walker. And Colville, Topaz right here. They were calling it Markleyville. It's nowhere near Markleyville. But hey, the USGS AI was saying here. So, whatever. All right, so what we're looking for is Q. What is a Q? So, go to the generalized rock types. I'll wait for it to boot up. People are hitting it. You can see a quake moving through. Well, check this out. Up by you, Canuck, 2.7. Yeah, St. Lawrence River, whatever that is. Is that the St. Lawrence? Yeah, boy. Yeah. You're not going to feel it yet, but I found where you're... the P wave's gone through, the S wave hasn't got to you yet. But definitely the P wave has. Yep. So yeah, rocking and rolling all the way. Ooh, I wonder, hey? And look at over here. These ones are bouncing too. Okay, it looks like it just got downgraded. 2.8 now. Got upgraded. P wave has gone out. Other people are saying hello to it. 2 quakes. Mexico is saying 2 quakes. Oh, it's up to a 3 now. Hey, AB. Not big enough, but will proximity alert my app? Yeah, you got a 3 possible. The value of that Quebec quake is an A right now. 91% of the stations are saying it's a 3. Yeah, it's down to a C. The quality now is a C. California just had another 2.5. So you're at a 2. What it hasn't said. Yeah, you're at a 3 right now, Quebec. Yeah, the Aegean Sea just popped in with a 3.7. Yeah, but that's interesting up here at St. Lawrence. Because, Texas just popped twice. It popped West Texas, then Central Texas, and on that line goes all the way up to there. So, we may want to take a look at Iceland. What's going on in Iceland here in the next 30, 40 minutes. I'll look at it real quick here. Ba-jing. Oh, what a view. That's a great view. Live from Iceland. All right, let's see what we have here. Nothing's happened as far as I can see, but The sun's just coming up. It's beautiful. On Bajorn. Check this out real quick. Bajorn. See that? Look at the sun over this. Yeah. What a view. And the Middle East is still quiet, thank God. Looks like we got some down here in Southern Cal coming in again. I mean Southern Cal, not the other ones. You can see this. So this will maybe change. I don't know. Click live. California size. Go live. Grapevine 2.7. I don't see anything happening yet. Well, 4.6. Oh, whoa, that's an interesting place. North of Honduras. That's along the fault, the plate boundary. We saw Guatemala happen, and what was it, yesterday or today? And now we're seeing it moving out. That's interesting. Yeah, I think the Earth is saying, I've had enough. I need to release. I don't know, man. Had a really good course today. If you all have a chance, go see Nick Zentner's 50-minute course today. Really good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Biggest quakes in 1952 were 9 in Kamchatka and 8-1 in Japan. There's your triangle. All right. See, here's the 4.7 El Salvador. This other quake just happened out here, north of Honduras. And we've already talked about this. Still not in rock types. I think it's just sedimentary rocks. So I'm going to close that anyway. And give on the seismos. All right. Grayscale. I don't know what the hell's going on. Oh, it's satellite terrain. There we go. 4.7 now out there. The quality so far is a C, so it could drop to 4.2, depending on what USGS has to say, and they probably won't even report it. So if I go to the Mexico site, north of Honduras, 65% observed is now C. The Quebec, Canada is now a 3.0, and that's what most people are saying. 4.8. See, it already dropped, right? No, it went up. That's weird. Let me go ahead and look. It went up 1 point. 6.2 miles deep. Let me see what Mexico has to say for it. Cannot be reached. Reload. All right, let's see what they're saying out there. Well, we had a 4.1 at 147. Another 4. Well, we had a couple 4.1s today out in the doohickey there. So, I mean, let me see if they're not talking about anything out here. See, how can I confirm that? Alamax is probably the only ones. Alamax has it Let me see what they're saying. 4.9. Hey. Pretty good little banger. So you got Southern Cal and you got down here. Chicken leg is moving, baby. Why? What's the chicken leg? That means the swinging out of Mexico to the left. Okay? Because the San Andreas is moving north. Everything left of the San Andreas is moving north. The chicken leg's being drawn with it. A lot of quakes happen right there. A lot of quakes happen right here through Veracruz and Oaxaca and Chiapas. Right? A lot of quakes. It's kind of uncanny. No quakes really up here or over there, but right through here. This is the edge of the chicken leg. It moves because of the San Andreas moving that way. It's following it. That's all the chicken leg is. And the knuckle of the chicken leg is up here in the Colorado Plateau. So you'll see breaks pulling it like a stretching from this side, and you'll see a bunch of compression on this side. Hence the banger. 4.8, it's a B now. So they're thinking it is a 4.8. USGS ought to report that one now. And let me refresh. No, not yet. Hawaii popping in with a couple of twos. Usually when Hawaii hits real hard, we're looking into Southern Cal as well. What was it, a couple of days ago? I thought I saw a Hawaiian 4 or a 5. It hadn't happened yet. I looked for it and USGS didn't have it, so I don't know. Biggest quakes in 1952 were 9 in Kamchatka and 8 in Japan. Yeah, we said that one. Not big enough. We'll get proximity alert on my app. All right, bud. And my storm is since dissipated.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go
all right.
do dishes and go to bed.
All right, love you. Goodbye.
Bye.
She tired. Still pretty rain up here on the East Coast, so hurricane's still right down in here, right? So if I did here, you'll see. Come on. I don't know what's going on with the net. There we go. There it is. It looks like it's offshore right now, the eye wall. If there is such a thing. Yeah. It looks like it's offshore right now. Let's go ahead and look at what the Hurricane Center says. Yeah, Debbie is right there. I don't know why I can't. There we go. Off Charleston, Savannah. They're just catching a lot of rain, baby. Yeah. B level, they're saying a 4.6 on the plate boundary north of Honduras. Another, was that the same one, Fontana? Well, there's 3 quakes in Fontana now. So everybody's aware. And what is it, wasn't it 1852 or 18 something? When San Jacinto and the San Andreas went off, 1910, I think there was one, or 1810, 1812. But I thought there was one in not 1872. Wasn't there one around 18 something there, 1849 or whatever? Let me look it up. God bless America. I'll look it up. Yeah, it's quicker. Search catalog. Custom. Call it 6.8 or greater. west of. All right, search. Oh, modify it. Too much. 7. Okay. 1700-01. There we go. That'll work. I'll go back to 6.8. All right, so these are the largest quakes in that localized area. Right here, 7.5, 1812. All right. This one, 7.5, 1952. This one out here, Landers quake, 7.3, 1992. Hector Mine, 7.1, 1999. And Ridgecrest, 7.1. You think Southern Cal can get big quakes? You dang right it can. 1812. You got 1857. I'm not saying it. It didn't come up. I don't know why. Oh, Laguna Salada down here. 7.3 in 1892. Then the Imperial, 1940, had a 6.9. All right. The area gets big, stinking quakes. Big ones. Now, I'd have to look on here and go 1857 earthquake, California. Fort Tejon, 7.9. Right? Up closer to Parkfield. All right, that's the epicenter. Continue. All right. Fort Tejon earthquake. Yeah, just north of Bakersfield. Our quake is down here now. And yeah, and this was the largest quake in the where was that? Fort Tejon, 7.9. All right, big stinking quake, boy. They felt that one in New York City. New York City. Yeah, they felt. Where the hell was the epicenter? That was 45 miles northeast of San Luis. Right lateral strike. That's what's going on now. Got another quake, 3.3 coming in. So, I don't know why it didn't show up. Probably because I didn't draw it in the right area. There we go. There's the 7.9 right there. This is the other quake the quake that we have right now is where the 7.5 hit. Right here. All right. Old River Road. Right here. right there. That's where today's quake hit. Right where it bends. That's the big one right there. That's the other huge one on the San Andreas. That's where this one, the Wrightwood one, is a 7.5, happened in 1812. And many other quakes happened right here, all in this area. We're at basically the bottom of the compressional area. Transpressional. It's still coming in. Bing, ding, 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 right? Mm-hmm. Looks like we just had another M. Another M 1.2. I've already got 2 M's this morning. Yeah. It never stops. It never stops. What are we looking for? SCSN. There's the quake that just now coming through. You can see it. Looks like a 3.1. There you go. Embrace your Martian, right? Yeah, I've been busy. Busy. Just sitting here watching the thing happen, man. Just watching it happen. Did you feel it, Martian? There in San Jacinto? My daughter felt that she's out there in basically Seal Beach. She's all on sediment. She felt it. I called her after. I said, "Hey, it's happening." We had a very interesting snake happen today. And pretty snake. That was tonight's snake. It's a harmless long-nosed snake. Yeah. About 2.5 feet long. Got another one incoming. Southern Alaska popped with a 3.5. See another little quake popping in. This is Anchorage 3.4. Well, 3.2 being dropped down already. 33 miles deep. Basically right underneath it there. Oh, we got something up here. Yeah, a little quake out here in whatever. And as we go back, take a look. Pretty active. All right, well, I'll stop this video here, but I'm still going to stay here. But if you're over there on YouTube, like and share and follow. And remember, let me see. Where would it be? Yeah, remember this. The rabbit hole was created to dive deeper into subjects that needed further examination. Hi, I'm Joe, and my guest and I will take you on a journey of discovery and exploration. We will provide insight and theories regarding the subjects we discuss. Come join us live at joeslicklive.locals.com, or you can join us on Facebook or Twitch or YouTube. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you. And remember, don't get none on you. Subscribe, hit that like, and hit the bell so you get notified. Also, about the morning report. Hi, I'm Joe of the Joe Slick Live Show. My interactive live show is on twitch.tv/Joe Slick Live. Monday through Friday, 7 to 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and occasionally in the evenings at 7. During the live show, I review and talk about reports from government, private, and other reporting agencies and websites regarding celestial and terrestrial phenomena. Topics will include solar flares, sunspots, geomatic storms, and near-Earth asteroids and comets that are being monitored around the world. Included in the report is current events in the last 12 to 24 hours here on Earth, consisting of volcanic, seismic, and weather events. I close the morning report off with what's happening in the local and world news. Thank you, and you can be a part of the morning report by going to twitch.tv/Joe Slick Live. Look forward to seeing you there, and remember, don't get none on you. Well, like I said, don't get none on you. Anyway, thanks everybody. Have a good one. Like I said, I want to stay here and monitor what's going on live, and I'm just going to let YouTube go.